The 2011 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, power passenger seat, power liftgate, traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, dual airbags, navigation package, power steering. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.